Hello, dear teachers, let's walk through how to quickly create a book bundle or an assignment for your students on myON. Step 1. Start by checking your students' ZPD or ATOS levels on your dashboard to assign books at the right level. Step 2. Head to the Library tab, then click Favorites. Now, select the Book Bundle button and give your bundle a title. Step 3. Go to the Search tab. Apply the ATOS filter. Click Search and browse. You may also search for specific books. When you find the right one, click the heart icon. Step 4. A pop-up will appear. Select the book bundle you created. Step 5. Go back to Favorites. Select the book bundle, and hit Assign All. Name your assignment, and it's saved in Drafts. Finally, go to the Assignments tab. Click on Drafts. Then edit draft. Fill in the title, instructions, and dates. You may assign activities, too. Select your students. And hit Publish. Now your students are ready to start their reading journey.